Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to adjust the tracking settings in Microsoft Edge to prevent certain websites from tracking certain elements of your information. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Edge, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy, search and services. On right side under the tracking prevention, websites use trackers to collect info about your browsing. Websites may use this info to improve sites and show you content like personalized ad. Some trackers collect and send your info to sites you haven't visited. So the default one is selected balanced is recommended blocks trackers from sites you haven't visited. Content and ads will likely be less personalized. Site will work as expected. Block non-harmful trackers. You can also select strict, but in some cases some sites may not load. For this strict protection, Basic will allow most trackers across all sites. I recommend you select balanced one, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.